Coach Julio, and I'm going to continue to show you some more exercises using slides. And remember, if you don't have slides, we can still do the exercise using towels. So let's get going. We are going to do some hamstring exercises, and this is no joke. So if you have, just watch. This is not easy. So it's a basic setup. My palms facing up, hips up. I'm only going to show a couple of reps. Inhale, then exhale as I pull. Keep the hips up. So that's level 1. You're like, hey man, I need level 2. So we can do single legs, out and then back. I'm only doing 1. On your time, you can do 10 to 15 reps. So the towels, follow me. Same exercise. Can be done on a hardwood floor. And you can do it in the kitchen, cook at the same time. Nothing changes with the setup. My hips up, extend, pull, and I'll do one single leg. Here we go, and boom. Not easy. So there you have it. It's simple, effective, and time.